Picture this. It's a regular evening, you order a pizza or some much-needed medicine online, and instead of waiting for a delivery truck to wind its way through traffic, a small flying robot buzzes overhead. It gently lowers your package right into your backyard, landing with precision and speed that feels almost futuristic. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in cities around the world, from bustling metropolises to quiet suburbs. Companies like Amazon, Google, and Walmart are already using drones to deliver to real customers, testing and refining this technology every day. The future of delivery is here, and it's taking to the skies, transforming how we think about getting things from point A to point B. For over a century, we've relied on trucks, slow, expensive, and polluting. Streets are crowded, and deliveries can take hours or even days. Drones change everything. They use the sky as their highway, avoid traffic jams, and fly straight from warehouse to home, making deliveries faster and more efficient. Imagine needing eggs for a cake or urgent medicine. Just tap your phone, and a drone delivers it to your doorstep in minutes, no matter the time of day. This isn't just a cool gadget. It's a tool that can make life easier, help people in emergencies, and even save lives when every second counts. We're at the start of a new era, just like when the internet changed how we get information and connect with each other. Soon, the sky above us will be a superhighway for packages, groceries, and even your Friday night pizza, all moving swiftly overhead. We'll explore how these drones work, who's leading the charge in this new industry, and what challenges, like regulations and safety, still remain. Buckle up. We're diving into the world of delivery drones, where innovation is happening at lightning speed. The ride is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. So, how do delivery drones actually work? It's all about smart engineering and a blend of cutting-edge technology. These flying robots are the result of years of innovation, combining mechanical design, software, and advanced sensors to make autonomous flight possible. Most drones are multi-rotor aircraft. Think mini helicopters with 4 to 8 propellers for stability and control. This design lets them hover, take off vertically, and maneuver with incredible precision, even in tight spaces or windy conditions. Onboard computers act as the drone's brain, controlling every move and adjusting propeller speed thousands of times per second. These computers process data from sensors and make split-second decisions to keep the drone balanced and on course. The journey starts at a central hub, where your order is carefully loaded into a special compartment designed to keep packages safe and secure during flight. The drone's flight plan is mapped out in advance, including GPS coordinates, safe altitudes, and routes that dodge obstacles like trees, buildings, and power lines. Using GPS and sensors like cameras and LiDAR, the drone navigates autonomously, constantly scanning its surroundings to avoid hazards and stay on track. Human pilots monitor entire fleets remotely from control rooms, ready to step in if needed, but most of the time drones fly themselves with minimal human input. As the drone nears your home, it scans for a safe landing spot, no people, pets, or patio furniture in the way. It uses its sensors to find the perfect drop zone. Some drones drop packages from a low height, while others gently lower them on a tether to ensure a safe and precise delivery, even if the ground is uneven. Once the delivery is complete, the drone returns to base for a quick battery swap or recharge, getting ready for its next mission almost immediately. The whole process is fast, precise, and almost entirely automated, allowing dozens of deliveries to happen at once with incredible efficiency. That's the magic behind your airborne delivery. An amazing blend of robotics, automation, and human ingenuity, working together to bring your order right to your doorstep. Who's leading the drone delivery revolution? The skies above our cities are buzzing with innovation, but who's really setting the pace in this high-tech race? It's not just startups, giants are in the game, from scrappy innovators to global tech titans. Everyone wants a piece of the airborne delivery market. Wing, part of Google's parent company, has made over 350,000 deliveries in places like Australia, Finland, and the US. Their drones are already a familiar sight in some neighborhoods, quietly dropping off everything from coffee to medicine. Zipline uses fixed-wing drones to deliver blood and medicine to remote clinics in Africa, saving lives where roads can't reach. Their technology bridges the gap between cities and the most isolated communities, making a real difference every day. Amazon's Prime Air just got FAA approval to expand drone deliveries in the US, aiming for 30-minute drop-offs. The company is betting big on drones to redefine fast shipping for millions of customers. Walmart is turning stores into drone hubs, partnering with companies like DroneUp and Zipline to deliver groceries and essentials across several states. Their goal? To make drone delivery a part of everyday shopping for families everywhere. These companies are racing to own the delivery sky, each pushing the limits of what's possible. The competition is fierce, and innovation is happening at breakneck speed. It's not just about convenience. It's about transforming how the world gets what it needs. Drones are making deliveries faster, safer, and more accessible than ever before. The competition is fierce, and the winners will shape the future of delivery. Every successful flight brings us closer to a world where the sky is filled with possibility. The sky is the new frontier for your next package. Imagine looking up and seeing a network of drones connecting people and products in real time. And the race is just getting started. The future of delivery is taking flight, right above our heads. Why are drones better than delivery vans? Speed is the biggest advantage. Drones skip traffic, red lights, and detours, flying straight from warehouse to your door. In cities, a trip that takes a van an hour can take a drone just minutes. Delivery times become predictable. Your package arrives exactly when promised. Drones are all electric, producing zero emissions during flight and using far less energy than trucks. They're perfect for urgent deliveries, hot meals, medicine, or last-minute groceries. Drones can reach places trucks can't over rivers, rough roads, or after storms. That's why Zipline succeeds in remote areas. Drones go where vehicles can't. This isn't just about speed, it's about connecting people everywhere. Drones make delivery faster, greener, and more reliable. They're not just replacing vans, they're opening up new possibilities. The world is about to get a lot more connected, and it's all happening above our heads. Drones aren't just fast, they're cheap, and that's what excites big companies. The last mile of delivery is the most expensive part, often over half the total shipping cost. Drones flip the script. No driver salaries, no fuel, just electricity and maintenance. Charging a drone costs pennies compared to fueling a truck. Automation is the real game changer. A single person can oversee a fleet of drones making dozens of deliveries at once. This efficiency slashes costs dramatically. Some studies say drones could cut last-mile delivery costs by up to 90%. A $2 truck delivery could cost just 20 cents by drone. That's why Amazon and Walmart are investing billions. Cheaper deliveries mean faster shipping, lower prices, and more profit. Drones are a financial superpower reshaping retail. The savings are sky high. The last mile sounds simple, but it's the hardest part of delivery. Packages move efficiently by truck across long distances, but delivering to individual homes is slow and costly. Drivers spend time finding addresses, parking, and walking packages to doors, especially tough in cities or rural areas. All that time adds up, making the last mile expensive. Drones are built for this challenge, small, fast, and perfect for short, direct trips. They bypass traffic, parking, and delays, flying straight to your doorstep. Companies focus on drones to solve this last-mile problem, not cross-country, just local hops. Trucks and planes still handle long hauls. Drones take over for the final stretch. Replacing the most expensive part of delivery with a cheap, fast robot changes everything. It's the ultimate fix for an old, costly problem. The last mile is about to get a lot shorter and a lot smarter. As exciting as drone delivery is, big challenges remain. Air traffic management is crucial. How do we keep thousands of drones from colliding in busy skies? Noise is a real concern. Dozens of buzzing drones could disrupt neighborhoods. Weather can ground drones. Wind, rain, and ice are major obstacles. Security and privacy matter too. Drones must be protected from hacking, and cameras shouldn't invade our lives. Companies are working on quieter designs, better weather resistance, and strict privacy rules. Solving these issues is as important as building the drones themselves. The future depends on getting it right. So, how do we keep drone traffic safe? Enter the FAA's UTM, Uncrewed Aircraft System Traffic Management. It's like air traffic control, but digital and automated. Companies submit flight plans to the UTM network, which checks for conflicts and restrictions. If the path is clear, the drone gets the green light. Drones share real-time location data, so the system can prevent collisions automatically. This digital choreography is key for safe, widespread drone delivery. UTM will allow drones to fly beyond visual line of sight, unlocking citywide service. The FAA's Digital Highway is the next step to making drone delivery mainstream. Building this system is a massive challenge, but it's essential for the future. The sky is getting organized, one flight at a time. We've seen how drone delivery works, who's leading, and the challenges ahead. Right now, it's only in select cities, but expansion is coming fast. Soon, more neighborhoods will get access, starting with suburbs and moving to cities. Imagine a future where you tap your phone, and a drone delivers groceries, medicine, or dinner in minutes. Fast food, pharmacies, and retailers will all use drones for instant service. This will change our expectations for speed and convenience, but it also raises questions. Are you excited for flying robots over your home, or worried about noise and privacy? The future of delivery is being built now, and your opinion matters. Drones promise speed, savings, and a greener world. The sky's the limit. What do you think?